Alright, we are at IKEA in Woodbridge. ThyssenDover. This definitely has its ThyssenKrupp blood. Oops. This one's pretty big. Obnoxiously loud door operator. Now if we look up here, there is a black interlock up there, but in here, this right here is blue, and this does not make any mention that it's a ThyssenKrupp, so this is we'll take it down. This door is from 2000, and well, this is a very big elevator. Very, very big. It reminds me of one at the Norfolk store, because those are pretty big. This one is just kind of the only big one. Got a really annoying door operator. Alright, and there it goes. And that'll be it.